What if I told you this tearjerker right here was once worth its weight in gold, and could help lower your blood pressure? Beneath the soil in silence deep, the onion stirs from sacred sleep. Its papery cloak, a moonlit dress, conceals the heart it holds to bless. Did you know that one of Earth's humblest vegetables was once a symbol of eternity? A healer of warriors, a gift from the gods. The onion may make you cry, but its medicine runs deep. With every layer, truth is shown, of roots remembered, tears we've known. A ring of fire, a spiral wise, a temple built in humble guise. The ancient story of the onion and the mysterious goddess of release. In the days when temples rose from marble and mist, there was a mysterious goddess known not by name, but by breath. She walked between the realms, where pain meets peace, where illness becomes wisdom. To the sick, she brought dreams. To the grieving, tears. To the warriors, strength. And in her basket, she carried only one thing, the sacred onion. It was said that each ring of the onion held a memory of what the soul had buried. With each peel, old pain surfaced. With each tear, a wound was released. The mysterious goddess whispered, "Peel slowly, cry freely. For healing is not in hiding, it is in the unraveling." Ancient onions go way back. Ancient Egyptians worshipped them, literally. Egyptian priests placed onions in tombs, believing their concentric rings symbolized the cycle of eternal life. In ancient Greece, the onion was food for athletes and warriors, believed to purify the blood and build courage. In Rome, onion was medicine. In India, onion an Ayurvedic staple. This was no ordinary food, it was spiritual nourishment. Soldiers ate them for strength. Romans rubbed onion juice on sore muscles, like some ancient icy hot. They believed its pungent scent awakened the senses, stirred the blood, and opened the path for inner renewal. The sick were fed onion broth to rekindle strength. And in ritual, onions were buried in sacred soil to absorb illness and offer protection. Why the tears? Onions release a gas called syn-propaneal S-oxide. It's a defense mechanism, but it turns your kitchen into a crying session. My pro tip: wet the knife in cold water and chill onions before cutting to reduce tears. Onions are loaded with quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. Sulfur compounds, great for heart health. And their prebiotics feed your gut microbiome, where 70% of your immunity lives. It cleanses blood, it clears the breath, it guards the gate, twixt life and death. It warms the gut, it lifts the mood, it teaches pain can still be good. Health benefits of the onion, the sacred tear bringer that nourishes both body and spirit. 1. Heart healing and blood pressure support. Quercetin, a flavonoid in onions, especially red ones, has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce LDL, bad cholesterol. Sulfur compounds in onions help prevent blood clotting and inflammation in arteries. Each bite cleanses the riverways of your heart. 2. Respiratory support and mucus release. Onions act as a natural expectorant. They help loosen phlegm, open up the lungs, and soothe congestion, often used in folk remedies for colds and bronchitis. The breath deepens as the onion clears the fog. 3. Detoxification and liver support. High in sulfur compounds that stimulate liver detox enzymes, helping to clear toxins and balance hormones. Also supports glutathione production, a master antioxidant used in cell repair. The root that purifies the blood and lightens the burden. 4. Immunity and antimicrobial action. Contains allicin, like garlic, a natural antibiotic compound. Fights bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while also stimulating white blood cell activity. A guardian at the gate of your immune temple. 5. Prebiotic for gut health. Rich in inulin and fructooligosaccharides, FOS, which feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. Digestion, absorption, and immune system regulation. 6. Blood sugar balance. Onions can reduce insulin resistance and help regulate blood sugar, especially useful for those with pre-diabetes or metabolic imbalance. Sweetness restored in harmony. 7. Brain and mood protection. The antioxidants in onions reduce oxidative stress in the brain, supporting memory and cognitive function. Onions may also reduce anxiety and depressive states through their gut-brain axis influence. Lifting the mind's fog with nature's ancient flame. Energetic and emotional healing properties, spiritual use. Perfect for your mystical, sacred kitchen energy. Peeling away layers equals a metaphor for emotional release and spiritual rebirth. Onions provoke tears, helping you release grief, suppressed sorrow, or blocked emotions. Placed near the bed, they are believed, in folk traditions, to absorb illness or negative energy overnight. Used in purification rituals for clearing old energy or preparing the body for healing. It fed the brave on ancient fields, it whispered health where time now yields. A healer's friend, a mother's balm, a kitchen's grace, a poultice calm. The onion teaches us that healing is layered. That sometimes we must peel back what no longer serves, shed our tears, and nourish ourselves from the inside out. This is Earth's wisdom, and it's yours to remember. Its scent may bite, its tears may flow, but through the sting, new truths will grow. For in its depths, the soul can find a mirror for the heart and mind. Use them in your sacred meals, sautéed gently in olive oil, served raw with lemon and sea salt, or steeped in onion broth for grounding energy. For colds, place sliced onion by the bed to absorb toxins from the air, an old remedy that still holds truth. Let me share with you a gentle recipe, a warming onion and garlic elixir, inspired by temple healing rituals. Drink this when you feel tired, heavy, or emotionally blocked. Recipe: Onion elixir for inner strength. Ingredients: 1 large yellow onion, sliced, 4 garlic cloves, crushed, 1 bay leaf, 1 thumb of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon olive oil. A pinch of sea salt, 3 cups spring water. Instructions: Sauté the onion in olive oil until translucent. Whisper a blessing as you stir. May what no longer serves me rise and release. Add garlic, ginger, and bay leaf. Pour in water. Simmer for 20 minutes. Drink warm, with gratitude. For emotional release, try this folk practice. Place half a raw onion by your bedside overnight. It draws out toxins, energetic and physical. In the morning, discard it into the earth. Say, "What I carried, I now return." The onion reminds us, healing is not always sweet. Sometimes it stings. Sometimes it smells, but always, it brings us closer to our truth. And now few of healing, ancient onion recipes, ancient Greek onion and barley broth, healing warrior soup. Used by soldiers, healers, temple cooks. Purpose: to restore strength, purify blood, and calm inflammation. Ingredients: 1 large yellow onion, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, 1/2 cup pearl barley, 1 tablespoon olive oil. A handful of wild greens, dandelion, nettle, or spinach. Sea salt and thyme, or fresh oregano, 4 cups water or vegetable broth. How to prepare: Sauté the onion in olive oil until golden. Add garlic, barley, herbs, and water. Simmer for 45 minutes. Stir in greens and cook until wilted. Spiritual note: whisper a healing intention while stirring, such as, "May every cell be restored by Earth's wisdom." Serve warm with a squeeze of lemon. Ancient Egyptian onion relish. Temple offering style, used by priests, offered to gods, eaten with bread. Purpose: to aid digestion, open spiritual awareness. Ingredients: 1 red onion, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon date syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Pinch of cumin or coriander. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt to taste. How to prepare: mix all ingredients and let sit for 15 to 30 minutes to marinate. Offer thanks to ancestors when preparing. Eat with flatbread or uncooked lentils. Ayurvedic onion, rasam, spiced healing broth. Used by Ayurvedic healers in India for colds, fevers, grief. Purpose: detoxify, open sinuses, warm digestive fire, Agni. Ingredients: 1 onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 of a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, or lemon juice, 3 cups water. Ghee or sesame oil. How to prepare: heat ghee and fry spices until aromatic. Add onions and garlic, cook until soft. Add water and tamarind. Simmer 15 to 20 minutes. Strain and sip slowly. Spiritual note: drink while wrapped in a blanket. Meditate on the layers you're shedding, physically and emotionally. Oh, sacred orb of Earth's own womb, you light the dark, you clear the gloom. A bulb, a prayer, a circle spun, a gift from Gaia and the sun. Science now echoes what the ancients knew: onions reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, support liver detox, strengthen the immune system, and nourish the microbiome with prebiotics. So, peel with care, and eat with grace, let healing bloom in time and space. For onions hold what can't be seen, the soul of food. Be in between. Do you use onions in your diet? You can share your favorite onion recipe in the comment section below. Until next time, please watch my other nutritional healing videos. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.